Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L, stock number B9709A. 61,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Bright white in color. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Town & Country seat 7, leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Dual DVD players, rear heat and air control, and wireless headphones and remote. Middle row buckets are also heated. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Power rear stow and go, folds with the push of a button. Great option for folding the seats if your arms are full. And of course, we'll reverse to the upright position with the push of a button as well. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row recline, slide forward and back, have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. And don't forget, they are heated. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with power adjustable pedals to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. It also uploads through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Holds thousands of songs. Rear DVD player controls, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with dual glove boxes, overhead, dimming mirror, liftgate and sliding door controls, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Town & Country has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's quick glance anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 17 miles per gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Town & Country, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.